Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about your immune health. You see, your ideal immune response is very similar to the Goldilocks and the Three Bears fairy tale that you heard as a child. And simply that you don't want too much or too little, it needs to be just right. So besides eating the right foods and getting enough sleep and exercise, what else can you do to ensure that your immune system responds properly to threats but isn't overstimulated? Well, there are special non-digestible sugars that are found in the cell walls of bacteria, fungi, and yeast in some plants, and they're called alpha and beta glucans. Now, they are both known to help regulate your immune response. And the most popular alpha glucans are found in the mycelia of mushrooms, while the beta glucans, they're found in the fruiting bodies of mushrooms. But there's another surprising source of beta glucans that you likely haven't heard of, and it's found in a type of algae known as euglena. Now, these polysaccharide non-digestible sugars from this algae nourish your gut health because they are recognized by the receptors in your small intestine and are used directly by your immune cells. Now, we've fermented this beta-glucan to enhance digestion and also combined it with a trademark ingredient called EpiCore. Now, you've likely heard of EpiCore before, as it has been one of the most well-recognized and studied ingredients when it comes to supporting your immune system. Now, EpiCore works by increasing your natural killer cell activity, your serum immunoglobulin A, and improves antioxidant levels. So EpiCore works on 4 different levels to support your healthy immune system and year-round immune, respiratory, and sinus health. So, if you've heard of the benefits of beta-glucan and would like to try it, please consider our fermented beta-glucans as a special combination to not only prime your immune cells, but balance your immune response to help you better take control of your health.